How to save ChatGPT Conversation as PDF. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have opened ChatGPT Chat. Then press on Share at the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, click on Create Link, which will create link. After that, simply click on Copy Link in here. After you have copied the link, open New tab in any browser. Then, at the search bar, paste this link. Open New ChatGPT, which will open New ChatGPT. Then, from the top, simply select every word. Then right-click on it, which will open these options. Click on Print. After you've clicked on Print, in Destination, make sure it's Save as PDF. After you have done that, you can also click on More Settings and select Settings as you want, as you'll find all these options, margin, scales. After you're done, press on Save at the bottom, which will save this file as PDF. Simply press on Save, and you're good to go. This is how to save ChatGPT Conversation as PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.